This is a quick little tip for playing a sound in Notion each time you check off a checkbox. So the good news is it's a free Chrome extension called Notion Ding. And in the top right hand corner of my screen, you can see it right here. It's pretty simple. And I love that it's free. So I will just unplug my microphone so I can demonstrate the sound. Sounds like. It's pretty awesome. It's really fun and satisfying, I feel, to have a nice little ding sound play each time you check off a task or to do in Notion. And just a note that it doesn't track anything. This extension isn't tracking any progress or anything like that. It is literally just playing a sound. Also, I have noticed on my own computer, it is not working anywhere outside of a table database. So as we can see, this is a table database and we heard the sound, it's working fine. But anything outside of that, like a block, a checkbox block is not working. For example, these weren't working for me. It's not playing the sound. And also other database views like gallery view, I was testing it there and it didn't seem to work for me. So hopefully either they update that soon so it plays in all checkboxes, or it's just my computer being weird and funky and it does work for you. I will put a link to this homepage. This is the Notion Ding homepage in the Chrome Web Store. I'll put that link below this video.